In this video, let's discuss one question from Karnataka CET 2003 based on Gauss theorem in physics. The question reads like this: the inward and outward electric flux from a closed surface are respectively 8 into 10 to the power of 3 and 4 into 10 to the power of 3 units. Then the net charge inside the closed surface is, these are the four options: 4 into 10 to the power of 3 coulomb, minus 4 into 10 to the power of 3 coulomb, minus 4 into 10 to the power of 3 epsilon naught coulomb, that is minus 4 into 10 to the power of 3 times epsilon naught coulomb, minus 4 into 10 to the power of 3 by epsilon coulomb. If you read this problem, you will come to know that this is based on Gauss theorem. So the key point in this problem is the Gauss theorem itself, because you see the word electric flux, closed surface, and net charge or total charge inside the closed surface. From the statement of the Gauss theorem, we know that the total normal electric flux enclosed in a closed surface is equal to 1 by epsilon naught times the total charge. The total charge here I mean is the algebraic sum of charges enclosed in the surface. You know that electric flux is represented by phi. So phi is equal to 1 by epsilon naught times the total charge enclosed in the surface. The algebraic sum of the charge, that is, I can write it as sigma q, or we get q is equal to 5 times of epsilon naught, q or sigma q, whatever it is. Now here in this problem, you see that this is the Gaussian surface. A Gaussian surface is a closed surface which encloses the charges, and the charges enclosed are 8 into 10 to the power of 3 units, and it is inward. The inward flux of the charge is 8 into 10 to the power of 3 units. The charges are pointing inwards. This is the inward charge, and if the electric field lines are inward, you know that it is a negative charge. So 8 into 10 to the power minus 3 takes negative sign, and the other charge enclosed in this surface, in this Gaussian surface, is 4 into 10 to the power 3 units, and 4 into 10 to the power 3 is an outward charge. The electric field lines extend outwards from the charge, and if the electric field lines are outwards, then you know that the charge is positive. So 4 into 10 to the power 3 gets positive sign, and 8 into 10 to the power 3 gets negative sign. So the charge in the Gaussian surface now becomes, the fluxes present are, the first is 8 into 10 to the power 3. This is the first electric flux, numerical value of the electric flux, and it is inward flux, so it is minus, plus the other charge having a magnitude of electric flux equal to 4 into 10 to the power 3 outwards into epsilon naught. So q equals, that is, the net charge inside the Gaussian surface becomes q net is minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4 into 10 to the power 3 into epsilon naught times so many coulomb. So the answer that would match with the given option is this: minus 4 into 10 to the power 3 epsilon naught. 3 is the correct option, and the unit of charge is coulomb. C represents coulombs.